Hey, what's going on, everybody? So somebody asked a pretty good question when it came to the harmonic scanner. What they asked was, let's just say you have three separate trades that you're entering in on, and do you use the same lot size or do you split the lot sizes when it comes to the three trades that you're doing with the harmonic scanner? So this is how I personally would do it if it came to the harmonic scanner and I had no trades open. Okay, so remember, for every $1,000 you have in your account, right, the highest lot size that I would do is 1.0. Okay, but being the fact that I'll be getting into three separate trades, what I'll do is I'll literally just divide this number by 3, and I'll get into each trade at 0.33, 0.33, and 0.33. All that equals to 1.0, if that makes sense. Okay, now let's just say that you that's the only trade that you want to get into. You're confident about that trade, then cool, get to the max lot size that you want. But let's just say that you want to do that trade, but you also want to do some other trades. If anything, you could be able to go at a lower lot size, let's say 0.3, 0.3, and then 0.3. Then you have 0.1 available to be able to do other trades. You get what I'm saying? Other trades. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Okay, so that's that. Now let's just say that you had, a different amount, not 1, a 0.0. Let's say you had $2,690 in your account, right? No, let's just say $3,690 in your account, and then those three trades came out, right? You find a harmonic scanner trade that you believe is good, right? Three trades that you want to get into. You'll take that amount of money and understand that you're supposed to do this as far as your lot size, right? And mind you, you can be able to watch session number 1, and it'll go over this in great detail, right? So this is the amount of money that's in your account. This is the highest lot size you're supposed to be in, and then from there you'll see, okay, 3 trades, and then from there each trade that you'll get into is 1.2, 3, 1.23, and 1.23. All that equals to 3.69. Yeah, 3.69. All right. So hopefully this helps you out. I'm pretty sure it will. If anything, leave a comment if this makes sense to you. At any point in time, leave another comment so that we can be able to create a video to be able to help you out if you have any other questions. All right. So yeah, leave your comments and let's become FX Pro now. Let's get it.